Oi, Kimosabi here. Yeah, AU looking sweet. I didn't really had much to talk about last video besides the high time frame market going down, bada. Market is coming closer to the last area that I'm looking at. This red line, it's a bias, it's the bias, it's where the target is at. I talk about it multiple times, but if you're new to this channel, what I talk about is like these lines or area when you're looking for bias is that these areas are like magnet. It's attracting the price to come down. That's how I see it. And these areas are also an area where stop losses are at, right? Someone bought below here. Price went all the way up, right? So the stop loss is more than likely going to be at the bottom. So that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the multiple people stop losses below here, and price should attack that stop loss. Simple as that. So when I drop down to the lower time frame, all I know is that market is going down, and I'm looking for patterns that helps me find that alignment with the bias. Basically, it's that. And this is basically how you want to trade every single time. If you have a system, you want to have processes in place. You don't want to be all over the place, because if you're all over the place, it's gonna get out of control. You're gonna get confused, and you're not gonna reach to where you want to get at. You're gonna be lost. You're gonna get lost in the sauce, like they say. But once you have a process in play, there's no way you'll get lost. And you want a simple process. You don't want to have like written down step by step in detail. You want 3 to 4 steps that you could follow every single time and execute. Simple as that.